Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm back working on the 4Runner. I got another lighting video for you because Auxito sent me some fog lights. And yeah, here they are. So these are golden yellow fog lights. They're LED ones. They sent them out to me, wanted me to try them out, see how I liked them. And of course I was like, yeah, why not? I'll see how good they are, if they flicker, and if I like them, because I do prefer yellow fog lights over white fog lights. And if you guys didn't know, when you're in like a foggy weather situation, you don't want bright lights shining into the fog because it's going to do the complete opposite for you. It's not going to light up the bottom of the road. You want something more on the yellow spectrum. That way it will cut through the fog. It will just send the light on the road, so that way you know you're on the road. Yeah, I just want to switch them out. Just the regular halogens in there, and they're more on the yellow spectrum. So let's see how well these LED amber fog lights work. So let's get into it. It's gonna be quick. All right, so it's actually pretty simple. All we're gonna have to do is crawl underneath the car. So if you get right up underneath the bumper, you're gonna see the housing right there. That looks like it hasn't been taken off in a while. Oh. We're just going to pop it out there like that. Let's see if I can get a better grip on this. I might need two hands real quick. Once we got that bulb out, we're going to go ahead and get our connector off. It might take two hands. It is out, and let's go ahead and open up our new package and put the new ones in. And yeah, it's literally just as easy as connecting it and putting it back in. There we go, and then just pop your connector back on. And then, yeah, just do the same thing to the other side, and we are done. And also, when you're trying to get the clip off, if it's like really stuck on there, you can get like a screwdriver, just put it in between like the clip and the body of this, or you can get some pliers, and then just like kind of wiggle it off like left and right, and then it'll pop off. You just need two hands to get to it. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand and trying to film. All right, and like I've said before, if your fog lights or any other bulbs that you're replacing are still good, it's always good to put them back in the package and keep them just in case if you have a problem with the new bulbs or if they burn out, they're a solid backup. All right, now with them in, let's go ahead and verify that they turn on. Now it is still light out, so they're not gonna be like the best example, but we can still see if they turn on. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, that looks nice. I will definitely get a before and after shot for you guys. That way you can see the contrast or the difference between the two. Too bad it hasn't been foggy out, or else I would show you some examples, but it really doesn't get foggy in my area that often. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy these before and after previews right here. And yeah, I think they're cool. They're awesome. They don't flicker. I'll have them in the link below if you guys want to pick them up. And like always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. I'll catch you on the next ride.